And true you can't catch the youth because the youth not stop. You run over him, man. How you sleep at night? More ask you something. How you sleep at night? More people share this. Huh? He burn me so much that me end up out without shut on. Tears fall from me. I hate it, woman attack. Youth 18 and 19 birthday other month here. And the youth not even live to see. We burn me so much that human I say every time me hear it do open, I youth. You think a youth a come there. Or if you hear a motorbike. So Ralph Gonsalve, the whole country like you. The whole country love you, Ralph Gonsalve. What about me? I like you too. I love you too. Right? All of my family, them love you. But I want you to do something. I need you to shine a light on this. People, I just show you all the 40 minutes they put up. See them video? This is a video we need to show people. Ralph Gonsalve, you need to do something about this. Policeman, if I be a man run over somebody for you, panda bike day. You are a police. A man who I drive me I talk to. Anytime, if anytime me have to come and sin, so I could do kill. Me okay. If a man be run over somebody for you, you the up front for make sure prosecute that youth day. You would have the up front for make sure prosecute that youth. So, if you believe so, say, you would have just dead the same day and nobody know nothing. How you asleep? Tell them more for no walk on. How you asleep, man? How you sleeping? So because I same thing. You see all the youth of them now up on the black ground there. Look around, man. I look around. I have to stop kill each other. Stop kill each other and see who is the real enemy. I need to stop kill one another. Look around. Look around and see who is the real enemy.
Do you remember when we did that episode featuring CJ Weeks, the youth that was allegedly run over by officers in St. Vincent? Well, we now have persons overseas weighing in on the situation because CJ has passed away.